January 22nd, 2026. Extreme rainfall triggered massive flooding in Athens, and within hours, the southern coastal area transformed into a waterway that paralyzed the city. In the Vari district, including Glyfada, a modern neighborhood along the Athens Riviera, water overflowed, covering main roads. A crucial warning: avoid crossing floodwaters, even if they look shallow. Private vehicles, including city buses, were stranded. Public services came to a halt. One fatality was reported after a car was swept away in the Ano Glyfada area. Along Metsovu, Poseidonos, Vouliagmenis, and Upper Glyfada roads, asphalt peeled away and was covered with mud, rocks, and debris. The Greek Civil Protection Authority raised the highest alert level across Attica due to the severe weather.
Glyfada τώρα. Κάπως.
And then came the big question: how could a modern coastal city collapse so quickly? This is what meteorologists call the flash flood dynamics in urban environments. Extreme rainfall, over 100 millimeters in a short time, fell on an area dominated by impermeable surfaces: asphalt, concrete, and buildings that cannot absorb water. As a result, almost all the rain turned into urban runoff. From the slopes of Mount Hymettus, gravity pulled thousands of tons of water toward the coast, the city's lowest point. When water volume exceeded drainage capacity, highways turned into artificial rivers. The warmer-than-normal Mediterranean Sea also fueled the storm by increasing moisture supply to the atmosphere. The Greek floods are not just a local event, they are a global warning. In the era of climate change, coastal cities around the world face the same risk. Without adaptation, starting with smart drainage systems and green absorption spaces, events like this will keep happening.